Well, old Humble here. Hope you guys can hear me. Old-timey cars with flames on the news.Squonkified in the wintertime. What a nice lineup, too. Fix the flames on the little Dixie up ahead. See, little kid? Letters are spitting fire now. Pretty, isn't it? Hope you guys are doing good. Tried to get this up this Friday, which is today, for the weekend for you. Oh, thank God I didn't hit him. Little rascal will motivate. Got him in the crosshairs. Lights are probably blind. We probably should do something about that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I guess we don't have to sweat it now, do we? I have an uncanny desire to go to the guardrails. No. Just 2 laps, so it won't be all that long, but I think you'll enjoy it. I hope you do. Let me know, would you? You won't find lights or flames or smoke on any of the other old-timey cars, to my knowledge. Squonky just wanted to go bananas, so I said, have at it. Enjoy yourself, kid. Does make it challenging. Probably 20 or 30 would be a safe speed for this. But in a race, we're trying to get to the front of the pack. It does help to have brake lights on the cars. They don't come with them. A little 3D action. Still nice to be able to do that. That Evo looks like it's going to be more of a pain in the ass than it's worth. It's coming out in increments, and I guess, I don't know what the deal is. I watched a couple YouTube videos, the guys doing it yesterday, they were getting like 20 frames, for FPS. And they had some beefy equipment. We're getting 101 right now, and that's recording with everything on. And extra FX as well. Oh, this is a tricky spot. Probably should be racing snowmobiles. Oh, that'd be a trip, wouldn't it? Whoa, 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 whoa. We're up to 100% turbo right now, so we should have some good fun if I don't lose it. Cars ahead of me, but I don't know how many. Exactly who it was, I don't even know. It is a beautiful car, isn't it? I've had the time of my life working on these things. Tell you, you guys can all thank Earthworm Jimmy for turning me on to that 3D system. Got me started. You should have seen how fast Jody Parks took onto it. Oh my God. About 2 hours he was farther than I was in a year. Here is a little bit much for the snow. trying too hard to catch those cars ahead. Oh boy. January 17th, 25. That's what I set this for. It was hard to pick which car I wanted to use. This rascal's one of my all-time favorites, though. I gotta find a nice mod that has a real V12 sound, because that's what this thing was, pretty sure. Can be a tricky spot, but you guys all know that for sure. I had fun making the skin for this. Took bits and pieces from a Porsche skin. About here I was saying, man, I definitely don't want to twist this thing around in a circle. That would really take up a lot of time. I don't even think you should allow yourself to think that kind of thought, because it seems to bring it to pass. There we go. Oh, balls. That didn't help. Well, you can plant carrots now. We just dug up the dirt. Now I'm freaked out. I don't think there's any chance at this stage of the game. I wish I could even catch sight of whoever's ahead of me. Of course, that's usually death on wheels, because I get nervous then and bite the dust. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, no. Close. Thank God for the clutch. Beautiful course, isn't it? I'll tell you what, as far as I'm concerned, the Facetto course has never got better than what it is right here. It's a premier as far as I'm concerned. I mean, I don't know how the heck you could ask for more than this. I really don't. It looks pretty near photo realistic. I don't mean to poo-poo the new one coming out. I hope it is everything you could ever ask for. But guys, don't look forward to me getting it because I have no intention of it. I'm sticking right here as long as possible. And that'll do it. Let's, I think I can quit this and get right to, let's see, exit. And we'll see if we get a score. I don't know if we will or we won't. Oh, we did. Okay. So, Pablo Martinez kicked my ass with the Deagle, which is understandable. That thing is awesome. 10,848 horsepower and a beautiful, nice curve too. And what have I got? Oh, 1,500. So we were doing pretty good. The Rat Fink, Rabunicus Pud Slapper. You gotta sometimes read some of the names I put on here. Now, Billy Powers was a friend of mine years ago. He's in heaven now. I don't know about Jack Daniels. Billy Kerner's still with me. He's down in Pennsylvania. Real live person. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so some of them were not available because they didn't make it all the way around, apparently, but not too shabby. Not too shabby. How'd we do? An 809. Well, that ain't terrible. An 803 was the best, so I guess we did good. Well, guys, I just hope the sound came out today. If it did, you got yourselves something to see. Okay? Have a good weekend. God bless you. Bye-bye.